Hi everyone, Stephen Williams here. I work with Metakama Online Computer as a full-time employee, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can be able to make corrections on your Microsoft Word. Perhaps comments have been attached to the corrected work, how you can be able to accept these changes, and it's pretty simple. All you need to do is to stay tuned to this video to the end. And please, I would like you to subscribe to this channel for more videos of this kind. And perhaps also you have content you want us to work on, you can also leave it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to also like this video. So straight ahead, I will begin with this tutorial. Now, if you want to make corrections on this text, all you need to do is to click on it and right click. Now there is an option pane here that says accept change. Now once you click on it, this work will automatically be corrected. Now let me undo this function to also show you that you can find it on the review tab while the cursor is still blinking, and come to this menu here that says accept. And once you click on it, the same changes is effected. Now you can also make corrections on this also by right clicking and accepting the change. Now you can decide to do that one by one, or decide to highlight them together. Right click to accept it also. Now how you can deal with this also is to highlight this, right click and accept the change. Likewise on this line here, you can do likewise, or you can make do with this. So you could either accept it or you could reject the change that has been effected on the work. But at this case, I will need this correction to be effected. So I will work on it. I want to accept this to say accept change. I'll get here, accept change also. Get to this portion, accept the change. Now you will notice that the edge of the work is opening. I want to get done with this line here. You could highlight this, right click and accept deletion. You could highlight this, right click, accept also. Likewise here. I will get to A, do likewise here also. Now you will notice the lines here disappear the moment you finish the correction on the line, so that it can set your page to be correct. Alright, so it said here the comment says add the unit from every value stated. So these are corrections you can be able to do, and for me to remove this comment, I will just right click on it here and come to this option that says what, delete comment. Now before you are going to delete a comment, you will need to know what exactly you need to do there before you delete the comment. Then you can effect the correction effectively. So if I've done that already, I'll just what, delete this comment, and it goes off automatically. So also here you can also likewise do the same. You could highlight this portion, right click and accept the change, and any portion of the work perhaps you want to correct, this is the procedure you are going to take. So I'm not going to go through this. I strongly believe that as you follow this video, you now know how to be able to correct this. You can also delete your comments also from this section that is here. Please, if you have not yet liked this video or comment, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you.